Hello my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're going to be trying out all of the items from the Sparkly Clean Favorites set from Sephora. I picked this up during my VIB sale haul, and I wanted to just sit down, have a fun makeup play day today. So we're going to be trying on all of these different items. These are all completely brand new products to me. So we're going to be testing these out for the first time ever together today. I'm going to show you this very simple, very fresh, glowy makeup look, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and first impressions on all of these products. So let's start where most makeup looks start, with primer. This is the Liquid Silk Canvas from Tatcha. On the Sephora site, they have this available for purchase in a mini size. That mini is priced at $22, but this is actually half the size of the mini that they have for sale. So this is really like a mini sample size. Their $22 mini is 10 grams. And this little sample size in the set is 5 grams. So I also want to keep track of the value of this box along the way. So we'll just guess that this is about $11 worth of product, which is crazy when you see how small it is. This does have a scent to it. I can't tell you if I like it or dislike it. I definitely wasn't expecting it to be kind of a pearly, liquidy, scented type of primer. I don't really know what I was expecting. I think overall this is probably my least favorite thing in this box. I'm sure that a lot of people love this and swear by it, and it just makes their makeup flawless, and I love that for them. This, to me, just not really that impressive. It's just a primer. My NYX Marshmallow Primer or my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Primer work just as well, if not better, for my dry skin, so this is kind of a overhyped, in my opinion. This Tower 28 Juice Balm, I'm not gonna lie, this is a huge part of the reason why I purchased this set to begin with, because this line hasn't been released yet. It's a tinted lip balm, which I love. It's the Tower 28 Juice Balm in the shade Mix. I really thought that it was going to be a coral color based on the cap here. It's actually a super glossy, nudie lip balm, which I am in no way mad about. This is a twist up. It doesn't really seem to be scented. If it is, it's not strong enough for me to really figure out what it's scented like. Just kind of smells like a generic, but not really any smell at all as far as I can tell. And according to the info on the Sephora site, this is a full-size product and it will be priced at $14 for the retail value. I love it. I love tinted lip balm. This is by far one of my favorite things in the box, and I will quickly use this up, I can guarantee you. Next, we have some cheek products. I love cheek products, and I particularly love cream, liquid, glowy, hydrating, anything that's going to get me to the casually sweaty cheek zone that I desire to be in at all times. Let's start with this cream blush. This is from Merit. This is their Flush Balm Cheek Color in the shade Cheeky, and this is a full-size product. The retail value on this one is $28 US. I had never tried anything at all from Merit. I have tried a couple things from Say Beauty. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it because their website is Say Hello, like their brand name and then hello. So I think it's Say Beauty. I'm just gonna say that, and apologies if I'm mispronouncing it. I have tried a couple things from the Say brand, but I hadn't tried this exact product before. This is the Glowy Super Gel Lightweight Dewy Highlighter in the shade Star Glow. That is a really long name. Really long product name. I just glanced at this and said, okay, liquid highlighter. I hadn't read out the full product name, so I was a little bit surprised at the texture because this very much is a gel. I was expecting something a little more viscous, a little hardier. I gotta say, despite my surprise at the jelly texture, I really like the way that this applied. It went on smoothly. I was expecting with that more liquidy feel that it was going to disrupt my makeup underneath, and it did no such thing. Honestly, I think that this gel highlighter dried down more than the cream blush did. However, they worked really well together. It's definitely giving me a glow. It's right there in between being a really, really, really bright highlighter and somehow having a very natural texture. So I would say this is beyond an ethereal glow, but it's not quite to the see them from space. It could probably be, though, if I layered up a little bit more. When you're not looking at this in the light of a ring light, it's not quite as metallic looking, and it honestly in person looks a little bit more toned down, which I like, especially for a look like this. And I have to say, this was a pleasant surprise. Wasn't expecting to like it even after I dispensed it, and I do. I like it a lot. I think both of the cheek products really are in my wheelhouse. They're my type of products. Easy to use, easy to wear, they look great, and they've been wearing well so far. Now let's move on to the eye products. We only have 2 products left in the box. First up is this Milk Makeup Color Chalk. This one's in the shade Hopscotch, and this is a full-size item. Surprise, because it's pretty small, but this is a full-size item, and this is retail priced at $18. This is a product that I'm kind of on the fence about. I like the idea of this. Milk is always giving us something different. I haven't seen every other brand in Sephora doing a color chalk. It's definitely giving me art class vibes. I like that. I think it fits the Milk makeup aesthetic. It definitely feels right for the brand. It's fun to play with. I always like to see something different. However, I don't love the color payoff. I probably should have put this over a really sticky primer, and I'm intrigued enough by this product that I'm going to continue to use it. I just don't think that this particular shade works as a standalone one and done type of eyeshadow product for me. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. I do think that I just needed to do a really sticky primer, maybe take a little bronzer into the crease or something to just amp up the look a little bit. Overall, I would say I'm on the fence, intrigued, would try again, would not buy individually for $18. That's just one girl's opinion. And the last product is for sure the sleeper pick for me. This one's from Ilia. It's their fullest volumizing mascara in black. You can buy this mini size and it's retail priced at $13. Their packaging is just so minimal, and I've liked things that I've tried from the brand before, but just not fallen in love with them. And I think in general, my feeling has been these products are good, they're kind of expensive, they just aren't really grabbing me from everything that's in this room. And this mascara looks amazing. It's definitely giving me enough volume to make my lashes look more defined. I'm getting more length than volume, but I'm getting a very separated, wispy, naturally full lash look, and I really like a natural lash. This is holding my curl really well. It's making my lashes look naturally full and wispy, and honestly I just think it looks great. I am excited to use this again and didn't expect it, but honestly I really like it. I may even purchase the full-sized one because this is 2 quick, easy little coats, and I think my lashes look really good. 4 out of 6 products I ended up absolutely loving, and I easily see these things fitting into my week, if not my daily routine. I definitely see myself picking up these cheek products again, and the mascara and tinted lip balm I can see myself fully using up and repurchasing easily within the next few months. The Milk Makeup Color Chalk, it's a fun idea. I can see myself trying this again, and the Tatcha primer is just kind of a meh, kind of a throwaway for me. I'll continue to give these a try, maybe use them in combinations with different products, and maybe I will love them more. So nothing's a total bust, but there are some things that excite me and feel like they fit me more than others. Now's the time when I want to hear what you think. Have you tried any of these products? Did you also purchase this Sparkly Clean Favorites set? I always love to hear what you think about things too, so make sure you leave all your thoughts down in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Time ever. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am. If you love it, that's fine. On this is... I wrote it down. Why don't I know? That, I think it what? But it's actually a... What? Don't know where that was going, but it wasn't anywhere coherent. Okay, tinted lip balm is really where it's at. For me, personally, you just won't convince me otherwise. Just saying. It's comfortable and it looks cute. I have a Star Glow. I don't know what I was going to say there. It wasn't going to be funny though. I thought that it was going to be and then it wasn't. This set's sold out now and I hope I didn't wait too long to make this video. That's the crazy thing about YouTube is you really have to have stuff out ASAP or it's like, why bother? It can hurt your channel to put out a flop video. It's a wild world we live in. I bet. Don't forget to check out my most recent ColourPop video because there's a giveaway in that and it's going to end kind of soon. So make sure you check that one out. Go enter a giveaway. I'm going to give away some palettes. I am going to give away a lot more palettes coming up soon. I'm excited. I don't have everything here yet. I bought a bunch of stuff for a massive end of the year giveaway and I'm really excited for it. So get excited, get hyped. Okay, thanks for watching. I love each and every one of your beautiful little faces and I will see you soon. Okay, bye.